Guys, it's Georgia Gray, and today we are doing an eye makeup tutorial. Hey guys, it's Georgia Gray, and today we are doing an eye makeup tutorial. One of the brushes just fell out. This isn't the first time I'm going to use this, but I got this for my 10th birthday from one of my friends at my actual party. So, don't mind the finger, by the way. I cut myself, so that's healing. And I don't know if it's gonna go too well with the actual thing, me doing the tutorial. But yeah, let's get into the video. Anyways, so first color is the dark pink. The name of, they have like unicorn colors that are for the names. Magical is the name of the color. So you're going to use the tip of the brush and go underneath your eye. You're only going underneath the eye, and for the other one, I can't speak today. So it should look like that, but if you can do better, then you do that yourself. I'm not worrying about how neat it is. I'm worrying about if I get any views on this video or not, but besides the point, irrelevant. Next, we're going to be using the Twinkle, which is next to that color right here. For this one, we are using the same brush. You're not going to use the tip this time. You're just going to use how you would normally use the brush. And you're just going to fill out, not the whole, like, not up here, not like near your eyebrow, just in this area right there. So, yeah. Don't fill it in too dark, because, like, fill it in dark enough so you can see it, but not too much. Like, you only need about 4 strokes of it. I don't know how many I did. I didn't count. But if you put a lot on your brush, then you won't need 4 strokes. If you put a lot on, you only need like around 2. There. So it should kind of look like this, I guess. Unless you're not really good with whole eye thing. But next you'll be using the, I forgot what this was called. What did I say at the start? I don't know. But you'll be using this, and you're gonna go in and use Golden Horn, which is the very first or last, depending if you're left-handed or right-handed. I don't know. But you're gonna use that to go up in this area. Use the Bubbles color, which is the one next to the pink right there, Bubbles, the purple one. So you're not going to use the tip, you're just going to use how you would use it. You're going to go ahead and like make a streak around here. Yeah, that's about right. Oh my god, I just did a streak across my forehead. And it's gotta be visible because this color isn't too visible, but you don't want it to be so visible that it's dark purple, because you want the other colors to stand out too. So it should look like that, and then like kind of blend it in with the gold a bit. and then smudge it into the line of pink under your eyes. I was going to do the water line, but I figured that would be really dangerous. And I just found out that there is no black on here, so it will just look crazy if I did the water line without black. Anyways. And I'm just going to head and do the other side. This part doesn't really take long because it's just like 2 semicircles around the corner of your eye. You still gotta be like neat with it. If you go off, then it'll look weird. Yep. Accurate. If you don't know what I'm blowing all the little extra pieces that are flowing around onto my bed. Next color is a color I don't use at all. I haven't used it. I'm sorry. I haven't used it ever. So, I think I used it once, and yeah, I'm pretty sure I used it once and accidentally mixed the pink with it. It's called Silver Moon because I can see some pink in it, or it just came like that because I don't really remember using it. I only got it last week on Tuesday, and today is, so that was a week ago, and today is Wednesday. So, it's not too old. My birthday was on Tuesday. Oh, yeah. I didn't have my party on Tuesday, so it's really not that old. I mean, it wouldn't be old if I got it on Tuesday either. But I got it on Saturday last week, on the weekend, because that's when I had my party. I couldn't have it on Tuesday because I had school and blah, blah, blah. So, yeah. So, go ahead and use Silver Moon, which is at the very end or start, depending on which hand you use, left or right. I don't really care. I care. Don't take that seriously. Gosh. I need to get a headband because this isn't working. My hair is being very, very irritating. Okay, that will do. Ugh. It's really hot. What? Okay, it's still light outside. I thought it was dark. And then my mom would keep me like, go to bed and stuff. And I'll be like, Mom, I'm filming a YouTube video. And she's like, oh, fine, 5 more minutes. And I'm like, this is not going to take me 5 minutes, Mom. And then she'll be like, fine, 10 minutes. And I'm like, fine, okay, go away now. Anyways, so what you're going to do is you're going to fill out the corner of your eye right here, just there. Ow, 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 I think I got some eyeshadow in my eye. Now this one you don't need too much because it's very visible, this one. Ugh, okay. Just to give like a little shimmer to your eye. Okay, the other side. Sorry if you can't see what I'm doing. I'm just dab, dab, dab. Sorry, I watch too much of Simply Nailogical videos. Dab, dab, dab. Even though I don't really do my nails. I have done a nail tutorial, but I think I took that video down. If you can find it, that's good for you. But it's going to be hard to find. I filmed that video like, what, 3 months ago? 6 maybe? 2 completely different numbers. I forgot what's next. So yeah, after you do that, oh yeah, next you're gonna use your other type of brush. I don't even know the real name for this. Sometimes I make up names for my brushes. This is Jerry, and that's Todd. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the sky, which is this blue one next to the purple. You know, y'all can read. And what you're going to do with this one is put dots over the purple. It's a bit faint. This color isn't really a pop because it's like really sparkly. Sparkles kind of takes over a bit.
Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. I see the things that they wish.